Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a very easy cherry inspired look. Now the cherry colors, bright vibrant colors, is not exactly a very easy look to pull off on daily basis because the colors are, well, very bright, as I said, and it can take actually a good 10-15 minutes just to finish one eye. Let's say these colors, they are very bright. I just showing you this palette because I'm gonna use a little bit on my eyes, but in my opinion the best way to create a very fast cherry colored makeup is to use of course creamy product. Now I already prepped my face. I put a foundation, a little bit of bronzer, all the products that I used prior to the makeup I'm gonna show you now, I'm gonna write down below the video. I'm gonna only concentrate on my eyes and on my lips and cheeks because this is what the most important in our cherry inspired look. Now I'm gonna use I'm gonna already do my hair like this. I'm gonna use basically this and other stores lip chicken lip tint in burnt cinnamon. Okay, the color is burnt cinnamon. Why I chose this color? Because it has sort of a brownish undertone, and to me cherry, when you crush it, it has this deep kind of a brown undertone. Look, cherry can be anything and the way you see it. My cherry inspired look is going to be something berry cherry and a little bit like on a brownish kind of undertone look, not on a pink and cranberry sort of. And it's not gonna be a cool toned, it's gonna be like something in between, exactly like this color is. If you also want a reference for the color, I think like Christian Dior Healthy Glow not eyeshadow, the blush in Rosewood is a very good option to create the cherry look. Now I'm going to start with I don't even know, because I'm gonna mainly concentrate on my cheeks and on my lips, because you have to choose where you want an accent, your eyes, your lips, or your cheeks. I mean, cheeks can be somewhere in between. Like, I want my lip to be more cherry inspired, kind of like more accent on my lips, but I will still need to put something on my eyes. Now I'm going to start with the cheeks actually, and using this, just gonna put, because it blends very well, I'm not afraid to put it on my cheeks like this, the brush, and really buff in. This is creamy but not very like sticky creamy, and it blends very nicely into my cream bronzer, Chanel cream bronzer. Anyway, as I said, I'm gonna write down below the video the product I used for my face. Yes, you need a base, like you need to have a good base for these bright colors to work on and be visible in a like good way on your cheeks. They should not mix exactly with your skin tone, because if you have a very light skin and you have like a little bit red cheeks naturally, any red color or berry color that you're gonna put on your cheeks will a little bit mix with your natural redness and it won't look nice. So you really need to have a base that will completely cover your redness, like make it kind of a clean slate sort of a face. I'm putting it on my forehead for a little bit, so it's kind of, the whole cherry look is like the whole face is cherry. And I like to put it on the bridge of my nose. I mean, we're doing a bright cherry look. And I pretty much put like, sort of like a line here and here. I don't know how it looks on camera. We're gonna add more, but maybe later. Let's see how our eyes are. Now this is fast. I mean, I'm doing it, I'm talking in between, but if you only do your makeup and without talking, concentrating on makeup, using the same color. Okay. Before that, I just, as you can see, used in my crease this color. This is actually Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession. I use this color in the middle, if you have this palette, so you know. It's kind of a brown mauve. It's in a cool tone. The only cool tone eyeshadows I use because for my face complexion, browns, warm browns, they don't look very nice. At least as of transition color, I always go for a little bit neutral or cool toned. That's why I use this one. But if you have like a complexion, you're very light, or you have like a, I don't know, you have a dark complexion and warm colors look good on you, you can use another transitional eyeshadows. Using my fingers, by the way. Now, this color is fantastic. When I saw it in another stores, I couldn't believe the quality, the color. You know, this color is not very easy to achieve. You think, oh, okay, like berry color. It's not exactly your typical berry color, as I said, because it has, excuse me, a little bit, everyone in my house coughing. A little bit, just a cold. No biggie. And it doesn't look too pink, you see? Maybe on the camera it does look pink, but in real life, it has this subduedness about it. Okay, it does look on a pink side. It's cherry. But it's in a pan. It's visibly kind of a, like burnt cinnamon. Such a nice name, burnt cinnamon. Would have never come up to such name. I mean, if I have to do my own brand, burnt cinnamon. Wow, amazing. Another story is like they're doing great job. Like I'm more and more interested in their makeup collections because the quality is good and the price is like middle market. Now I'm gonna take this pencil, Sephora. It's which color? Soft rose. I mean, we call it, let's pretend it's soft cherry. And just a little bit here. Little like this. If you don't want, you just don't do anything. Now, a little bit again, the cream. It's lip and cheek color, but absolutely every lip and cheek color you can use on your eyes, trust me. There is no scientific work behind it. It's like literally. Now, I don't know, I'm going to add just a tiny bit of glitter. I'm gonna use this vibrant color. They don't have the name, so I have to show it to you. Just here on the apple of my eye. Loving it. Should we put a little bit here? I'm not sure, but let's try. The thing is with them, this kind of colors, you can, such a thin line looking kind of nice and looking kind of like you're having a cold and your eyes are red. Now the lips, I'm going to use NYX color in Natural. A little bit. Look, because I'm talking, but it will take you 5 minutes. Yep. You see, right? Oh my god. Now, adding again, I did very lightly. I wanted a very natural cherry look. It's fantastic. This is for the lips, amazing. You smudge it, of course. Loving it. Now, what we do? Okay, I want a little bit kind of make it with this powder my face, like give a little bit of glow. This is finishing powder by Flormar. It has all this kind of combinations of colors, and I want to just to press into the cheeks. This finishing powder, it has a little bit of sheen to it, and this look will just kind of blend into the skin. I always use the finishing powder, whether it's Flormar or Hourglass. Now we can add a tiny bit on the nose. We always can add, you know, it's always better to add more. Oops. I just want to make it as if it's a fast makeup, so for you to understand how easy you can do. I mean, blush is nice to have for this cherry look because that's the point. Now, let's do quickly mascara. This is Brown by Lancome, brown mascara. I mean, you can use the black one, but I thought brown will just match the theme. The perfection will be YSL, their burgundy mascara that they discontinued. That will be just a cherry on top, but we don't have it. I mean, the brown one is also nice because it's still kind of in a range of this cherry brownie colors. A little bit. So this is pretty much, that's it. The only thing, maybe to the lips, I'm gonna add a little bit of this. This is Victoria's Secret Gloss Balm in, I will write below the video the color. This is kind of not very cherry, but I love it. Yeah, can be cherry, like a young cherry. And just for the gloss. That's it. This is the cherry look. Very easy. Literally, you saw, it's very easy. And not too exaggeratedly cherry or like pink on your face, but it has the vibe, and I hope you liked it. I enjoy doing it very much. Actually, I'm doing it like once per week at least these days, because it's just the vibe. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.